What is Titano Finance? In the crypto market, there is a competition to create the quickest and most lucrative staking platform. Titano believes it has figured out this recipe. Whereas investors can get a daily payout of 1.89% of the tokens invested, which is paid out every 30 minutes. However, the Titano platform has had issues with security and is facing strong competition. That's why its price has dropped over the last few weeks. Therefore, what is Titano Finance, and why is it moving to V2? Where and how can you buy Titano coins? How does AutoStake function? Lastly, how does its tokenomics function? Reminder, this is just information, not a piece of advice that you should invest in Titano Finance. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest news about crypto, blockchain, and NFTs. Make sure to watch the video till the end and like it if you benefit from it. Also, be aware of scam comments in the comment section. Don't give anyone your personal info or even sign on to an anonymous site. We will never ask you to contact us on WhatsApp. So, what is Titano Finance? The popularity of decentralized finance has risen in the recent years, as more investors have realized that there are many ways to make money. Titano is a relatively young platform in an increasingly competitive sector, with big incentives and speedy payments on offer. It hopes to keep Titano investors interested. On the other hand, Titano's staking platform has three distinct selling points: a set annual percentage yield, rapid payouts, and security. Moreover, it guarantees a consistent APY of 102,483.58%, which equates to a daily return rate of 1.89% for investors, where staking payouts are paid out every 30 minutes, making it one of the quickest auto-staking systems, because it guarantees security as the Titano is sent directly to the wallet. Now, the Titano's upgrade to the V2 platform. Titano's Finance, on the other hand, saw the upcoming migration date of April 22, 2022 as little more than an inconvenience. It went off without a hitch and needed almost minimal participation from token holders. From automated staking to automatic migration, the ease of use was in line with the company's goal of making a fully featured DeFi project that makes life easier for investors. Here are some of the updates. Number 1. The mint function is no longer available. Titano's V2 contracts do away with the mint function, which had previously enabled Titano to mint an endless number of tokens. This function is now gone. Number 2. The rescue token function has been removed. A rescue token method might be handy if someone transfers money to the incorrect Titano wallet in order to acquire Titano. However, having this presents weaknesses. As the new Titano contracts, there is no longer a way to get a rescue token. Number 3. Purchase and sale fees have been capped. Titano now has 13% buy and an 18% sell cost when buying or selling the token. The Titano V2 contract stops Titano from raising these fees above these amounts. The project, on the other hand, has the option of reducing these fees to 0. Number 4. Treasury and RFV wallets are now with multiple signatures. The Treasury and RFV wallets now need multiple signatures to make modifications to the contract, such as the previously stated buy and sell fees. Number 5. Improved security and code logic. Titano V2 contracts have been enhanced in terms of security and code logic, making them stronger and more secure. Furthermore, Certic's Skynet system is now constantly monitoring Titano's protocol. Titano had a second big problem because it was exposed to PancakeSwap, a third-party decentralized exchange that Titano didn't own. To participate in or leave a DeFi project, token holders will need to be able to purchase and sell their tokens on an exchange. Since the DEX is providing this service to the protocol, they are entitled to a portion of the transaction fees. Although PancakeSwap does not intend to keep Titano or any other token for the long term, they sell these tokens on the open market at random periods. This may lead to a rise in price validity and a heightened sense of urgency for sellers. Rather than battling PancakeSwap about their percentages and how they sell them, Titano develops Switch, a totally new DEX. The fees earned from Titano Swap will now be put to use as a source of income for buybacks and burns, as well as other corporate purposes. All of these factors will contribute to an increase in prices. Now that the contract improvement has been completed and Switch has been released, Titano will concentrate on expanding the utility. In less than a week after migration, it has already reintroduced the fan favorite, Play Protocol, this time under the careful eye of Certex Skynet. Titano Play is a weekly no-loss raffle game in which participants are put into a drawer for massive amounts of Titano tokens. Additionally, Titano Play has a deflationary impact on the ecosystem since a portion of its prize fund is really burnt. Additionally, there are other utilities on the horizon, like lottery, weekly buybacks, and passive income NFTs. However, where and how can you purchase Titano coin? Titano is traded on a number of cryptocurrency exchanges. Whereas PancakeSwap is the finest cryptocurrency exchange for buying Titano cryptocurrencies, here's how to get your hands on Titano. Number 1. The Binance Smart Chain should be added to your MetaMask wallet or a different crypto wallet. Number 2. With your fiat money, purchase BNB. Number 3. Transmit the BNB to your MetaMask. Number 4. Go to PancakeSwap to complete the BNB Titano swap. Number 5. Set the slippage to 15% and confirm the trade. Number 6. You now have Titano automatically staked in your wallet. Besides that, how does AutoStake function? The Tap AutoStake feature is a basic but cutting-edge function that can best be characterized as buy, hold, earn, and gives Titano holders with the utmost convenience of usage. Simply by purchasing Titano and storing them in your wallet, you can receive rebase incentives. Furthermore, since everything is automated, investing in Titano is both simple and secure. It's simple to stake your token since there aren't any crypto wallet interactions to understand or be concerned about. Lastly, how does its tokenomics function? Titano has opted to use a common tokenomics scheme for auto-staking protocols in order to attain these high returns. It charges a transaction fee, which is used to fund its staking incentives. To put it another way, 5% of all Titano transactions are deposited into a risk-free value, a protocol-specific wallet. This is used to stabilize and sustain the token during bearish periods. It also serves as a guarantee of the returns guaranteed to investors. Another wallet is the Treasury, which takes 3% of purchases and 8% of sales. With this wallet, RFV tokens can maintain their value during periods of severe volatility. Moreover, this treasury is used to support new goods, services, and marketing. And a final 5% transaction fees go to liquidity, guaranteeing that it can continue to offer the BNB and Titano pairs on PancakeSwap. This equates to a 13% cost for people purchasing Titano and an 18% fee for those selling it. However, high-stakes returns can entice investors and individual consumers. Even so, there is still a danger because the crypto market is not fully regulated, and recent scams have resulted in individuals losing their hard-earned cash. And with that, today's video ends. If you gained any value in today's video and want to see more in the future, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe button, and press the notification bell. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.